Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another requested video. I have had so many requests for this video and I really wanted to keep my channel just about styling, but I really want to give you guys what you ask for. So a lot of you have asked what I do with my hair tips and tricks and how I take care of my hair, so I'm going to share that with you. Okay, for about, I would say, at least a year, I've actually been keeping these products to show you guys. I have been using Vital Proteins. I love this product. This is the new packaging. This is the old packaging. There is 10 ounces of product in this Vital Proteins. I'm going to open it up. I'm almost finished this one. White powder comes with a blue scoop. So what you do is every day it says, let me read what you're supposed to do. Serving size 2 scoops, which is 20 grams, bovine hide collagen peptide. It is a supplement for your hair, skin, and nails, and it's for your joints and bones. I really notice a difference when I don't use this in my joints. I do work out and I can tell it's almost like they're not as oiled. I don't know how to put it, but I can really feel when I don't take this product in my joints. What you do is you take 2 scoopfuls once a day. I cannot take 2 scoops at once. I know that this says that it's unflavored. I am very sensitive to flavors, fragrances. I can taste it. It's not offensive. It's not, disgusting in any way, but there is a slight taste. Somebody that likes coffee, this mixes well into hot drinks really, really good. So if I have time in the morning, I'll make my latte, I'll put a scoop of this in my latte and I'll froth it up with coconut oil, and it's really good. You can't taste it at all. Collagen is a vital building block of our bodies, including hair, skin, nails, bones, and joints. We believe that the whole food-based nutrition containing collagen is beneficial for looking and feeling your best. Compared to our ancestors, our diets today contain less collagen, and this natural protein has been removed by modern food processing. We are committed to providing products that help add collagen to your diet. Let's see. It's a bovine hide from South America to ensure a high-quality source of this ancient protein. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, supporting the health and vitality of your skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. Our peptides are easily digested and soluble in cold or hot liquids. And like I said, this mixes great into hot liquids. Of course, cold, no problem. Other collagen products I was using. Before I started with the Vital Protein, I was using this, Amino Sculpt. This is a liquid. This product comes in a mango form and a cherry form. I have tried them both. They're both very strong flavored, so just pick your poison basically. They say it's for weight loss, skin smooth, fuller hair, healthier joints. It's good for your nails. This product is really good. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, kosher. I initially loved this because it was a liquid and I could just do it really fast. I would go back to this. I recommend it. The bottle lasts forever. It's 30 fluid ounces. I think this lasted me, I want to say about 3 months. And I think the price is around $60. So it's very affordable. I did like this product and I would repurchase this. Collagen supplement that I love, you can only get this in Canada. So whenever I travel home, I would always purchase this, and my Canadian girlfriends know all about this. It's the Nutri Collagen and it is so good. It's an apple flavor. I really like this formula because this Amino Sculpt formula is super thick. It's a liquid, it's super thick. This formula is really thin. It is a liquid. It comes with a little cap. It's really thin, so you just take it back really quick and it tastes like apples. This is the best tasting one out of all of these. But like I said, you can only get it in Canada, so it's tricky. And one of these bottles only lasts a month. So I would have to go home and really stock up, and it became like a pain in the butt. So I first started with the Amino Sculpt. Then I started with the Nutri Collagen, and when I go home I would get more. Like, I have been through at least, oh my god, I've saved 3 bottles, but I would say 10, probably 10. This is expensive. I think this was about $40 to $50 a bottle, and it only lasts a month, so that's pretty pricey. This is the #1 thing I do for my hair. I think it makes a big difference. I think it makes my hair shiny. It keeps it strong. It keeps it healthy. I also feel like my hair grows fast. My friends tease me, and one of my friends in particular, she says I'm like a Play-Doh. Remember those Play-Doh machines where you put the Play-Doh in and you like turn the crank and it comes out like spaghetti? My girlfriend says like my hair is like that. Like something happens in the night where it's like my hair just is growing because my hair grows so fast, and I think it's because of this product. I love this. I would not be without it. If you are interested in taking this product, you have to take it every day. I do have some friends that buy it. It sits on their counter. For some reason, they just won't take it. If you want to make changes in your hair, skin, and nails, if you want to reap the benefits of a collagen supplement, you have to take it every day. You can't take it twice a week and think it's going to make a difference. You have to take it every day, and then you will notice a difference. I think within 2 weeks you would see a difference with this product. I myself, when I switched from these other collagen products, I noticed a difference within probably about 2 weeks because I felt like this was stronger. I feel like this is the best on the market right now. Another supplement I do for my hair is I take a B Complex, coenzyme B Complex, and I also take a B12, and this is the kind that melts under the tongue. So I take both of these. I don't take these every day. I'm not as good with this as I am my collagen. I'm not sure why. It's on the counter with the same products. It's right in the same vicinity. Your body really needs B12, and then it needs to be complex, and whatever your body doesn't use, it comes out in your hair. Okay, moving forward with what I do with my hair is I use Olaplex. I'm not going to do a review on this because there's so much to the Olaplex system and understanding it. I myself do not understand it in its entirety, but it's a 3-process system, and the first process is the liquid, and you add it to your color. You can actually do it at home as an at-home treatment. That's what I do, and it just helps put the building blocks basically back into your hair. When you strip your hair and you color it, you're obviously damaging your hair, and this system puts building blocks back into the hair strands and helps the health of your hair. Also, I do the System 3. So this little system comes with 2 steps. And then the 3rd step does not come in this package. You have to buy this separately. Sephora sells this. You can go to Sephora. This is $30. A lot of people say there's about 8 treatments in this. I disagree completely. I would say about 3 for when I do it. You really want to saturate your hair. So what you do is, this is not a moisturizer. This is a treatment. You put it on towel dried hair, and you leave it on for 20 minutes. Once your hair starts to dry, this product stops working. So your hair has to be slightly damp. You put it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then you rinse it out, and then you wash and condition your hair. A lot of people that have super damaged hair will do this 2 or 3 times a week. I probably do this twice a month. This product is incredible. I highly recommend it. Do your research on this. Like I said, there's a lot more to this product than just what I'm saying, but I'm just showing you basically what I use. Okay, continuing on with what I do for my hair. A wet brush. I highly, highly recommend a wet brush. Okay, I also use the Mason Pearson brush. There was huge hype about this brush. It's dirty, it's gross. Yes, I use it. There was a lot of hype about this brush a couple years ago. Everybody had to have this brush. I bought into it. This brush is very expensive. Is it worth it? I don't think so. I think the whole premise of this is to get natural boar bristle brushes. You want 100% boar bristle. It helps move the oil from the scalp through your hair. It's gentle on your hair. It's soft on your hair, and it makes your hair shiny. I am very picky about what I wash my hair with. My #1 go-to is AG. I love AG products. This is the Ultra Moisture Conditioner and the Extra Moisture Shampoo. The thing about AG is, if you, like, I know people don't want to use parabens and people don't want to use sulfates and all that stuff, and I don't use any of that stuff in my hair either. The difference with this company is they don't have any salt in their products. Salt is in almost every shampoo and conditioner, and it really dries your hair out. That is why I love AG products. I love the conditioning mist from this range. It is pretty much empty. I have used, I think that this is my 5th one of these. It's just a moisturizing conditioning spray. It just helps detangle my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down. Again, it's salt free. parabens, sulfates, all that nasty stuff. AG doesn't have any of that in it. The product I love is the AG Reconstruct. It is a keratin repair treatment. It is not a moisturizing treatment. So it just helps put keratin, which is a protein, into your hair. I love this. This is probably my 4th one of these. This lasts me about 6 months. I just use like a quarter size amount, maybe twice a month. The spray I do like, and one of my girlfriends got me on this, is Chi. And you can get this at Home Senses and Marshalls for a really good price. Like this was $10.99. But it's the Chi, it's the Enviro 54 Firm Hold. This is amazing. My girlfriend uses this. She'll spray it in her hair. She'll do her hair all curly. She'll give it a shake, spray it, and all of a sudden her hair just goes like this and grows and gets bigger and bigger. It's amazing. It's not sticky. It doesn't make your hair firm and like old school 80s where your hair won't move. Like it gives it movability, but it holds curl and holds style. So this is my #1 hairspray. I love, love, love. I love color proof, and every once in a while I have to use a clarifying shampoo because I do use styling products. I have never found a clarifying shampoo that doesn't strip my hair and make it feel awful. It's a detox shampoo. It is amazing. It leaves moisture in my hair, but it cleans my scalp, it cleans the hair, it does not strip the hair at all. Color proof again, and it is the moisture rich shampoo. I also have the conditioner. I love this range. It's very moisturizing. It does not weigh the hair down in any capacity. This product, I mean, a little goes a long way. It's so rich, concentrated, so it's not like a regular shampoo where you need like a ton. And same with this one too. Like you only need a little bit. Another product I think makes a difference is a protein. So I started using the bone broth protein. I really like this one because it's gentle on the stomach. I have like a very sensitive tummy, and this protein is really, really good for a sensitive digestion. I'm not somebody that takes a protein shake every day, but I do this a couple times a week, and I do think it helps, promotes digestive health, promotes joint comfort and bone health, supports healthy immune system function, promotes healthy detoxification, and promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my hair care. This is the proteins I use, the collagen, the shampoo, the conditioner, the styling products. I hope this was helpful. Follow me on my Instagram for outfits of the day, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.